Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to exchange your Bitcoin to Litecoin on Coinbase. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Coinbase website at www.coinbase.com. Step 2. Log into your Coinbase account using your username and password. Step 3. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Coinbase dashboard. This is where you'll see an overview of your account. Step 4. In the top menu, click on the Trade option. Step 5. From the drop-down menu, select Convert. Step 6. On this page, you'll see a From and To section. In the From section, select Bitcoin. In the To section, select Litecoin. Step 7. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to exchange for Litecoin. Make sure to review the exchange rate and the fees associated with the transaction. Step 8. Once you've reviewed everything, click on the Preview Convert button. Step 9. Double-check all the details on the next page. If everything looks good, click on the Confirm Convert button. Step 10. Congratulations! You've successfully exchanged your Bitcoin to Litecoin on Coinbase. You can now view your updated balances on your Coinbase dashboard. Remember, always do your research and consider the risks involved before making any cryptocurrency transactions. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Happy trading!